All right, so it's been a long time coming. Finally, a replacement bearing kit for the Ultra Air Blaster. Now, this is a fantastic tool that many of you love and you use it and abuse it, but maybe you've noticed that your bearings aren't spinning as well as they once did when the gun was brand new. Well, have no fear, because the replacement bearings are here, and I'm going to show you how to replace them. So take your Ultra Air Blaster, the new version here. We're going to twist off this cone. And with the cone on, I'm going to show you how to remove this. So you're going to grab the end of your existing bearing and your nozzle here, and you give it a nice tug. Pop that right out, just like that. And we're going to take one of our new bearings, and we are going to simply drop it back in, take our nozzle and screw this back on, and voila. It's literally that easy. You're going to be back to blasting with now a nice new bearing. So hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you learned something new, and hopefully you pick up some of these bearings for yourself and get back to Ultra Air blasting. As always, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.